Assalamu alaikum, this is Asif and I'm going to show you how to calculate the square root of a number by linear search. First, we know the declarative knowledge that the square root of a number x is y such that y into y is equal to x, where y is greater than equal to 0, which means positive. We are going to find this y. Let's say, for example, if we want to find the square root of 5, we are initially going to start with 0 and incrementing it by 0.0001 and then 0.0002. We will be guessing it in this sequence until we find a value which will be very close to the square root of 5. So at first we are going to have to write the function for compute square root value, because there is no such thing as this. This is a top-down design, and double means a real number, which means its output will be double, a real number. Let's say it first copy this. Let's copy this. Control C. We here enter Control V. We say double compute square root value. We say double value. It means where input will be double and output will also be double. Open brace, close brace. We say, let's first define closeness. Closeness is actually, let's say it's 0.001. Say double. Closeness is a factor actually. This is a factor. I mean, when the square root which we are guessing it, or where the value in which the value of y will be like in the range of the closeness, we say we have found the value, something like that. I mean, very close to the square root of 5. I mean, if the guess we find or the number we find is close to the range of 0.001 to the actual square root of 5, we say we have found the value. So let's then use for loop, because we know when we are going to start and when we are going to end at any value which is 5 or 7 or 9, anything we want. So we say, let's say for loop for guess double guess is equal to 0.0 semicolon, which means guess is equal to actually less than equal to value which we are going to write. We say guess is equal to previous guess plus 0.0001. We are going to increment it by 0.0001. So there will be one u. We say open brace, close brace. We say then we are actually going to define something like error or error. We say first, let's define it here first. We have to initialize it. You can also initialize it later on, but it's the same thing. Say it's 0.0. So error is equal to guess multiply guess minus value, which actually is the closeness, or we're going to guess it this way. Then we say we don't actually care about the sign of the error, so we actually just want the magnitude. So for that we will have to write something like apps error is equal to apps value, which is the error, which means whether it's if it's negative, it will give an output as positive, something like that. Then if the apps is less than or equal to closeness, we say we have found the value, so now we'll just return the guess, semicolon. And if in case we do not find the value, we say return -1. So this is what it is. So let's then actually define apps, initialize apps error, Control C. We say Control V, we give double. So let's give a space here. Let's define, so we have to write the function for this, because there's no such thing as this. And there's Control V, we say double. Then we open brace, close brace, we just say if the value, if the error is less than 0, then just return -0, which means if the error is negative, it will return a positive value, because actually if the value of the error is negative, it will multiply the value with -1 and return the value, or else just return and return error. Returns the error, and I hope this is all it. And just let's run this. Okay, it says what? Oh yes, we haven't added a prototype. After add prototype, so it won't work. Control C, say enter, Control V. I have to write it again. Damn, man. Say double. We say semicolon, and then we just copy this. Then we just paste it here, and just give this. Remove this and just run. Yes. See, the square root of 5 is this. So then see how much time I have. I have crossed 7 minutes, and only I can maybe we can actually guess how many times we guessed the value. So actually let's just say enter, we say int we say number of cases is equal to 0, so semicolon, and we'll have to write like this. We say open brace, not close brace, something like this. Say print f this number of, we say this, we say percentage I, say percent I, say comma, number of races, say number of races, we give this, and we say close brace here, so enter, we copy this, Control C, Control V, C++, we give this. Let's run this, and sorry, it's not taking a number for some reason. Did I miss something? 5. So the number of cases is this. We'll give a actually \n, then let's run it again, and let's see it works. Voila. So it works. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.